We'll gather lilacs in the spring again and walk together down an English lane until our hearts have learned to sing again when you come home once more.
The poignant words of "We'll gather lilacs in the springtime," which was so beautifully sung by our musicians from Live Music Now, was written to create a spirit of optimism and hope to loved ones who had been reunited after the years of hardship, tragedy and separation during the Second World War. Despite the fact that food was still rationed and that cakes were made with dried egg, milk, liquid paraffin and jam, people rallied together to create a spirit of celebration across the nation to mark victory in Europe on the 8th of May 1945. Today we remember the heroes of the Second World War who, through their sacrifice, secured our freedom.
Citizens, one and all, please join this cry for peace that you now hear from me. Remember men and women, old and young, who died to make us free. The women left at home did not just sit and wait. They toiled in harsh conditions before dawn to very late. Factories, farms, other essential jobs, the women were quick at learning. They worked, some died to keep the home fires burning.
To those who gave so much, we thank you.
Today we join with family and friends across the nation at 3 p.m. in raising a l'chaim to say to those who gave so much, we thank you.
To those who gave so much, we thank you. Mazel tov.
Residents have been reminiscing about their own experiences during the war years, whilst enjoying the preparations of bunting, laying up tables, and setting the scene for an afternoon of socially distant festivity. The coronavirus pandemic has forced an unprecedented amount of change and disruption in our lives, without any warning and without us asking for it. Residents, relatives, staff and volunteers are all having to deal with the feelings of separation and isolation from loved ones, and it's been amazing to use Skype and FaceTime to share so many moments of togetherness. A number of our residents have referred to their experiences of being evacuees during the war years, and also the sense of isolation that they as children felt from their normal routines. We've been separated from the exuberant joy of our children in the apple and honey nursery, but have been equally inundated with lots of love and kindness from our surrounding community. We have a beautiful musical tribute from the Gironi sisters in a reprise of our theme song, We Gather Lilacs in the Spring.
We'll gather lilacs in the spring again and walk together down a British lane until our hearts have learned to sing again when you come home once more.
We want to raise a special toast of appreciation to our amazing team of volunteers who have been keeping the home fires burning through telephone befriending, supporting shopping requests, helping set up digital technology, sharing poetry, personalised musical tributes, organising posters, supporting gardening groups, and generally upholding us with their love and encouragement. residents talk about the resilience of the Blitz spirit. We are very grateful to the staff team in Nightingale Hammerson for their skill, commitment and love in the provision of quality care during these difficult times. Can we invite you to join our CEO, Helen Simmons, in our final toast in honour of the heroes at the front line of care in Nightingale Hammerson, who continue to give so much.
To our staff at Nightingale Hammerson, who gave so much, thank you.